Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install TeamViewer on Windows 11 machine. So first of all, I'll open the Google search bar and I will type download TeamViewer, and then I will go to this official website teamviewer.com, and I will click to this particular link, and then I will click download TeamViewer. So the download process has been started. So I already have the exe files. I'm going to cancel it from here. So let me just open the exe file from here, and just wait. Default installation. So accept next. Click yes, and the installation process has been started. I just need to wait until this is done. After that, I will click I accept, and I will click continue. Click OK, and the TeamViewer, it has been installed and it has been started. So we are done. TeamViewer has been installed. Now you're going to sign in to TeamViewer, so you can sign in through your Gmail account or any other account. Okay, I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.